Hello everyone, welcome to Social Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the GI section of the paper. So in this video again we'll take up a few questions from the section in general, and then subsequently we'll try and solve these questions to learn the approach towards solving the same, so that whenever we come across questions such as this, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay. Now, having said that, what we'll be doing is we'll discuss the section first a little bit. Talking about the GI section this year, the paper remained to be more or less on the similar level as we have seen in the previous year paper. There is no significant changes as the patterns are concerned. But that being said, the questions this year around were more complicated and difficult as compared to the previous years, and the questions involve deeper understanding of the subject matter and also a higher level of critical thinking. That in turn contributed towards making the section more difficult. In this video, we'll take up a couple of questions, two different kinds of questions in general. We'll learn their approaches so that whenever we come across this in a examination, we are easily able to tackle the same. Okay. So having said that, let's start off with number 16. Prakash traveled 8 kilometers northwards, then turned left and traveled 4 kilometers, and then turned left again and traveled 6 kilometers. Okay. How far is Prakash from his starting position? Okay. So let me first draw the direction diagram so that things are clear. North, south, southeast, east, northeast, northwest, west and southwest. Okay, so we'll follow this particular pattern. So now Prakash first goes northwards 6 kilometers. Okay, so it starts from here. He goes 6 kilometers north. So this is his initial position, and he is here at this point. Okay, 6 kilometers. He then turns left and travels 4 kilometers. He turns left and travels 4 kilometers. Okay, he's here now. 4 kilometers. Again he turns left and travels another 6 kilometers. So he turns left again and travels another 6 kilometers. So he's here now. This is again 6 kilometers. Okay, now we are asked to find how far is he from his initial position. This is his initial position, this is his final position. So he is at a distance, this distance, which is equal to 4 kilometers. Okay, so option D is the answer, 4 kilometers. Okay, now having said that, let's move to number 17. I hope this is clear. So we have been given a diagram. So diagram might be a little hazy. Let me draw the diagram here so that things become clearer. Okay, get rid of all of this first. 17. So we have a triangle. First circle, second circle. Okay, let me just note down the numbers here. 16, 22, 34, 6, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, and this is educated. Educated is being represented by the triangle. This circle, first circle, is being represented by rurals, or rurals is being represented by this circle, and employed being by this circles. This circle represents the employed. Okay, now how many educated people are employed? So educated people, people being the triangle. Okay, so if we talk about educated people. So this entire thing 16, 22, 6 and 12, all these people are educated because they come under the triangle. And if we talk about employed, then the 6 and 12, they are employed. So therefore total people who are educated and employed will be 6 plus 12. What you can do is you can go through the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of details like our website URLs, from which you can visit our website and get yourself enrolled in any online courses, or you can purchase any study materials for any competitive exam preparation. You can also write to us on our email ID, which is also provided there. Any query or doubt you have, or if you want to get in touch with us, you can write to us as well. And also you can call, text, or WhatsApp us on the numbers provided as well. In any doubt you might have regarding your competitive exam preparation, or any doubt you might have regarding your subject wise doubts, or any topic wise doubt that you need special guidance on, or you need an expertise on, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in your pursuit to us as well cracking this examination. Okay, so kindly go through that as well. So with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion of the similar sort of questions further down the line. So until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.